Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off sleep mode on your Mac so your screen stays awake as long as you need it. Let's start by opening System Settings. You can access it by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and selecting System Settings, or by clicking the icon directly from your dock. Once you're in, scroll down the sidebar and click on Lock Screen. Now, in the Lock Screen section, you'll see a few different options. You can skip the first one. That's just for the screensaver. The two settings you want to focus on are Turn Display Off on Battery, Turn Display Off on Power Adapter. These are the settings that control when your Mac goes to sleep, depending on whether it's using battery or is plugged in. To disable sleep mode completely, click the drop-down next to each of these options. You'll see a list of timing choices like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, and so on. Scroll down and choose Never. If you're not on an admin account, macOS may ask you to authenticate with your fingerprint or password to apply the change. Once you've selected Never for both battery and power adapter, your Mac will no longer go into sleep mode automatically. The screen will stay on until you decide to put it to sleep manually. And that's it. Super easy and useful if you're running long tasks, watching something, or just don't want your screen turning off. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful Mac tips. See you in the next one.